Musk shares latest update on Tesla FSD v12.5 for HW3 vehicles. Tesla has been rolling out its latest version of full self-driving FSD Supervised v12.5 over the last few weeks, though only to those with vehicles sporting the newer HW4 computer. While HW3-equipped vehicles are expected to get the release this week, CEO Elon Musk said over the weekend that the team is still working on it. On Saturday, Musk said that the FSD supervised version going out to HW3 vehicles will be a different release number than v12.5.1.3, which began rolling out on Friday. HW3, dubbed AI3 in the initial post, after Musk's recent reference to an upcoming vehicle computer as AI5, makes up the vast majority of Tesla's vehicles on the road. For that reason, many with HW3-equipped vehicles have been curious as to when they would get FSD v12.5, especially as it has been rolling out in waves since last month and is expected to include a number of improvements. Tesla China FSD approval expected by end of 2024. Musk team is working on it. This will be a different release number, Musk wrote in the Saturday X post. The statement comes almost 2 weeks after the company began the wide release of FSD v12.5.1, and after Musk explained that the new version would first go out to HW4 equipped Model Y units before being deployed more broadly. Musk also said on July 29 that the estimated rollout for Tesla's FSD supervised version 12.5 to HW3 vehicles would be about 10 days, meaning that it would have gone out on Thursday if holding to that timeline. The Tesla CEO has also provided some context as to why it was taking time to get FSD v12.5 out to HW3 vehicles, along with including 5 times as many parameters as the prior version. It takes considerable software effort to optimize the code enough to run on HW3, Musk said. It also needs to be validated separately. Despite the Cybertruck having HW4, FSD Supervised is still not available in any capacity in the electric vehicle EV, though it's expected to go out with v12.5. During an event a couple of weekends ago, Musk said that FSD should be going out to the Cybertruck sometime in August, noting that it was tough to know the exact timing of the release. FSD v12.5 also features improvements like a combined highway and city stacks into a single stack and driver monitoring that lets drivers wear sunglasses without being nagged. Musk also says the version will be bundled with the release of actual Smart Summon, though it's technically a separate code. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.